Now we are starting practice set 1.3, question number 3, its third example. Solve the following simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. The example is first equation, x plus 2y is equal to minus 1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So first of all, given equations are x plus 2y is equal to minus 1 and next one is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Now we have to compare these equations with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So comparing with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, we get a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 2, then c1 is equal to minus 1, then a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 3 and c2 is equal to 12. In this way we got the values of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2 and c2. Now we have to find out the values of d, dx and dy. While identifying the value of d, we have to take the values of AB, means a1 b1 and a2 b2. So d is equal to a1 means 1, b1 means 2, a2 is 2 and b2 is minus 3 is equal to, now cross multiplication, 1 multiplied by minus 3 means 1 multiplied by minus 3, then minus 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 1 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 3, minus 4 2 2 ja 4 is equal to minus 3 minus 4 means same sign. So addition 3 plus 4 7 and sign is same sign means minus 7. So the value of d is equal to minus 7. Now dx is equal to, dx means we have to take the values of cb means c1 b1 and c2 b2. So c1 is minus 1, and b1 is 2, then c2 is 12 and b2 is minus 3 is equal to minus 1, cross multiplication, minus 1 multiplied by minus 3 in the first bracket, minus in second bracket 2 multiplied by 12 is equal to minus 1 multiplied by minus 3 means minus minus plus means 3 ones are 3 minus 12 twos are 24 is equal to plus 3 minus 24 means different sign, so here subtraction, bigger number is 24, 24 minus 3 is 21 and sign of bigger number is minus, so we got the value of dx is equal to minus 21. Now we have to find out the value of dy, means dy is equal to AC, AC means a1 c1 and a2 c2, so dy is equal to a1 means 1, c1 means minus 1, then c1 means minus 1, then a2 is 2 and c2 is 12 is equal to cross multiplication, 1 multiplied by 12 minus 1 multiplied by 2, so 1 multiplied by 12 means 12 ones are 12 minus 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 2, so 12 minus plus 2 is equal to 12 plus 2 is 14, so the value of dy is equal to 14. So by Cramer's rule we get x is equal to dx upon d is equal to dx, value of dx is minus 21 upon value of d is minus 7 is equal to minus plus means gone, so 7 3s are 21 and y is equal to dy upon d is equal to the value of dy is 14 upon value of d is minus 7 is equal to 7 2s are 14 and sign is minus, so value of y is equal to minus 2, so x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2. So x y is equal to 3 minus 2 is the solution of the given equations. In this way, we have solved our third example in question number 3 of practice set 1.3. Understood, students? You can take snapshot of it. Now we are starting fourth example. Example is first equation 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12. Then second equation is 8x minus 3y minus 2. So first of all, given equations are, first equation is 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12, and next one is 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. Now we have to compare them with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So comparing with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, we get a1 is equal to 6, then b1 is equal to minus 4, then c1 is equal to, value of c1 is minus 12, then a2 is equal to 8, then b2 is equal to minus 3, and c2 is equal to minus 2. In this way we got the values of a1, b1, c1, then a2, b2 and c2. Now we have to find out the values of d, dx and dy. So first of all, d, so d is equal to, d means we have to take values of ab means a1, b1, a2, b2, means a1 is equal to 6, b1 is equal to minus 4, then a2 is equal to 8 and b2 is equal to minus 3, is equal to cross multiplication, 6 multiplied by minus 3 minus 4 multiplied by 8 is equal to 6 multiplied by minus 3, 6 3s are 18, but 6 multiplied by minus 3, so minus 18, minus 4 multiplied by 8, 4 8s are 32, but minus 32 is equal to minus 18, minus 18 minus minus plus 32 is equal to minus 18 plus 32 means different sign, so subtraction means 32 minus 18, yeah, 2 minus 8 is impossible, so 12 minus 8 is 4, then 3 means here minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, so 32 minus 18 is equal to 14. So here we got the value of D is 14, sign of bigger number. Now we have to find out the value of dx is equal to CB. CB means C1 B1 C2 B2. So C1 is minus 12, B1 is minus 4, then C2 is minus 2 and B2 is minus 3 is equal to cross multiplication once again, minus 12 multiplied by minus 3 in first bracket, minus in the second bracket, minus 4 multiplied by minus 2 is equal to 12 3s are 36, minus multiplied by minus plus, minus 4 2s are 8, minus multiplied by minus plus, so 36 minus 8 is 28. So we got the value of dx is 28. Now dy is equal to AC means A1 C1, A2 C2, A1 is 6, C1 is A1 is 6, then C1 is minus 12, A2 is 8 and C2 is minus 2 is equal to cross multiplication, 6 multiplied by minus 2 in the first bracket, minus in second bracket, minus 12 multiplied by 8 is equal to 6 2s are 12, but 6 multiplied by minus 2, so answer is minus 12, minus 12 multiplied by 8 minus 96 is equal to minus 12 minus minus plus 96 is equal to here minus and plus, so subtraction bigger number is 96 minus 12, 6 minus 2 is 4, 9 minus 1 is 8, so answer is 84. So we got the value of dy is equal to 84. So by Cramer's rule, we get x is equal to dx upon d is equal to the value of dx is 28 upon d, the value of d is 14 is equal to 14 2s are 28, so x is equal to 2 and y is equal to dy upon d is equal to dy value of dy is 84 upon value of d is 14 So D is equal to y is equal to 84 upon 14 is equal to 14 6 84. So we got the value of y is 6. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6. So x y is equal to 2 6 is the solution of the given equations. In this way we have solved fourth example. Understood, students?